everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today we're going to open up this month's Ipsy bag. I just went upstairs after filming and the Ipsy bag was here. Usually my Ipsy bag comes super late, so I was really excited to see this in my mailbox. So if you're new here, hi, hello. I hope you decide to stick around and hit the subscribe button. If you're just as excited to see what's in my Ipsy bag, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and let's open it right up. So I want to know down in the comments section, do you guys get Ipsy? What are your thoughts on Ipsy? I mean, because when you sit back, I'm paying $10 for samples. I mean, they're not all samples, and I've gotten some amazing things, but do you get Ipsy? What are your thoughts on it? I want to know. And I have to, does anybody else have just those completely random thoughts? Like, where did that thought come from? Like, I don't know. Anyways. Oh, I like the bag. It's very, very cute. It's right here. It's very reflective, but very soft. And it says, and off she went to change the world. And it has a little star. It has a little star right here for the zipper pull. Very, very cute bag. And I love rose gold, so this is probably going to go right in my purse. Oh, crap. There's a bunch of stuff. I peeked. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yes. I was so excited. Holy crap. It's the first thing. This is why I get Ipsy. I can't handle surprises, and I did not peek again this month. You guys should be real proud of me. Anybody else that knows me for real, let them know down in the comments how much I cannot stand surprises. I will. Story time. All right. Pause. Story time. I used to, before I had YouTube, because I'm trying to make this like surprise and fun for everybody involved, I was that person, as soon as I got the email, it was like sneak peek. Oh yes, yes I sneak peeked. And then I would take pictures of everything I got, and then I would send them to my friends, and we would discuss them. I haven't been doing that, it's been so hard. Okay. Story time's over. I don't handle surprises well, and this has been hard. But anyways, I did pull out a Ciate London Lip Luster in the shade Wildfire. Oh, I'm so super excited. I really, really love Ciate London. I really love their lip products. It was a very different wand. Kind of pointy. Oh, there's stuff there. Let's go on. We'll go on the back of the hand. It's a very, very pretty pink, and it has almost a gold, it has gold glitter in it. I do like it. It doesn't really smell like anything. I mean, it's sweet, like a lip gloss, but maybe it's just like a vanilla scent. Okay, I won't look this time. Something in, ooh. Something in bubble wrap. Holy crap. Holy crap. It's an Ofra highlight. Holy crap. I got an Ofra highlight. It's so pretty. This is Ofra highlighter in Star Island. I love Ofra highlighters. I only have one. And it's too dark to wear right now. But I wear it in the summer. It's more gold. Oh, and this one's not gold, and I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna touch this, and oh, I'm gonna touch it. It's very, very pigmented. Holy crap. Yup. That's going to be top drawer. I love this. And that's, oh my gosh. Holy crap, I just got an Ofra highlighter in my Ipsy bag. And it's Ciate London lip gloss? What is this? This is the bag, the little one, the $10 bag. Okay, not peeking, and I pulled out a little box. This is Poolside. This is a Lush eyeshadow by IBY Beauty. I'm not sure if I've tried anything by IBY. I think Ipsy usually has IBY on there, and then I never get them. Oh my gosh, it's tiny. It's so cute. This is so cute. I love it just for the packaging. This thing is like a little, it's a little nugget, and I love it. Oh, it's a very pretty shade. Very, very... Alright. One without the highlighter. It's very soft, very pigmented. Oh, very, very pretty. This is another shade, just like the Meech and Mia I got last month. This is going to be really pretty just on its own or in my lid or with other shades. I'm super excited to try this brand. This is the color is Get Soaked. So how cute is this little tiny packaging? This is adorable. My kids are going to eat this. Next time you see this, there's going to be teeth marks in there because my son's going to be like, candy, and it's not going to be candy. Okay, not looking. I have the Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin Limited Edition Berry Fix with Winter Red Algae. It's got a set of lips on there, so I'm assuming this is a lip balm. Maybe a lip mask for overnight. Very, very balmy. There is no color, so I'm going to say this is probably a lip mask. But it smells really, really good. Okay, the last thing. Oh, I got another brush. I love when I get Ipsy brushes. Oh, and I can't get it open. There it goes. This is the brush right here. Small shader brush. It's so soft. I believe I have another one of these. Hold on. Yes, I do. I have this one from the same company, and so I'm kind of excited to have kind of a set. One has rose gold on it, and one has kind of more of a yellow gold, but they both have these really cute diamonds in them, and then the handles are really nice. This I really, really love for highlighter a ton, and I just washed it, so it's sitting behind me because I rotate them. But I'm super excited to get this one. This feels really, really nice. Yeah, it's very, very soft. So I'm really excited about that. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. I got a fluffy shader brush, which I really like, and a lip balm. I think this is probably a lip mask, actually. I'll have to look it up, but Skin Iceland's really, really nice. And a Ciate London lip luster. I'm going to wear the crap out of this because I love Ciate lip products. And the cutest eyeshadow I've seen ever by IBY. And an Ultra Highlight. I got an Ultra Highlight in my Ipsy bag. What? Do you get Ipsy? Let me know down in the comments what you got if you do. What did you think of my goodies? But if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit my little face. She's going to pop up on one side or the other. I always forget which side she pops up on. And there's a video on whichever side my face is not. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!